Hey guys, Christina from Designer Inc. here. We're at another one of our projects and we finalized drawings and we are about to commence construction. We want to give you a walk through the space, so come on in. First means of business is this kitchen. This kitchen is a builder grade condo kitchen, so it needs to hit the road. We're going to be eliminating this granite countertop and eliminating all the cabinets below and behind me. We're going to incorporate light colors within the space, so we're doing some light cabinetry above and a beautiful blue cabinet as the base cabinet. And to create that openness and airiness once more, we're going to add some floating shelves with a walnut veneer on top to adorn this area above the sink. Unfortunately, the condo builders will not allow us to touch the existing ceiling bulkheads, but we're going to use the power of color to open up the space and create openness and airiness within the space with light cords and a light backsplash. Now let's walk you through into the living room. The living room space is minimal in its aesthetic, but we're incorporating some features in the space to add a little bit of character and dimension. We're doing a wallpaper along the living room wall with wall slats adorning this wall here, a wall-mounted TV, and a wall-mounted cabinet to create a comfort area, a very nice livable space, but not overdoing it or overwhelming the viewer's eye. The washrooms we're keeping minimal in aesthetic. We want to keep them both very neutral and sophisticated and contemporary. However, in the guest bathroom is where the magic happens. We're going to create a feature wall on this wall of a Banksy-inspired feature wall. This is a 4-panel mural that's going to adorn one wall of guest washroom. It's going to adorn the entire wall, giving this washroom a really cool pop and jazz of color. And we're keeping everything else very neutral to allow the viewer's eye to gravitate towards this stunning piece. We're also going to put 3x6 subway tile with black grout along the back end of the wall and keeping consistent with the shower also. Moving into the master bedroom, where this wall here will be our main feature wall. We're going to adorn this wall in a faux suede wallpaper, and we're going to furrow out the wall just ever so slightly to conceal all the exposed conduit that will have to run for the wall mount TV. And then we're going to install a really beautiful and sophisticated wall slat shelving unit here so that the homeowners can store their beautiful showpiece watches or jewelry on the side here. Let's walk into the ensuite. Moving into the ensuite, again, we're keeping everything contemporary and sophisticated and minimal in color to keep a beautiful contemporary vibe throughout the space, using the same tile in the respective guest washroom. And we're going to create a beautiful walnut vanity in the same kind of walnut veneer as the kitchen, and cladding the entire shower in the 3x6 subway tile like we did in the guest washroom with the black grout lines. We're going to keep the same floor tile like the guest washroom also, but we're eliminating the tub in this space and we're going to create a floor-to-ceiling shower with the ultimate feature, the ceiling ring head feature. And that will be the focal point of this space. So stay tuned for progress pictures on how this space comes to life, and we cannot wait to show you the final reveal.